Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to create a successful Instagram influencer marketing campaign. So you open up the Instagram app, but to actually create a successful Instagram influencer marketing campaign, you just need these few things. Creating a successful Instagram influencer marketing campaign involves careful planning and execution. Here's a breakdown of the key steps. Define your campaign goals. Which is number one, define your campaign goals. What do you want to achieve? Increase brand awareness, drive sales, generate leads, boost website traffic, promote new products? What do you want to achieve? Set SMART goals. SMART refers to specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So you have to set SMART goals. Number two, identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? Demographics, age, gender, location, interest and behavior, where they spend their time online. 3. Find the right influencers. You need relevance. Ensure the influencer's audience aligns with your target audience. Their content should be relevant to your brand and products. Authenticity. Look for influencers with genuine engagement and a trustworthy reputation. Avoid influencers with fake followers or low engagement rate. Reach versus engagement. Consider micro-influencers, smaller, highly engaged audience, in addition to macro influencers, larger audiences. Tools. Use influencer marketing platforms or manual research to find suitable influencers. 4. Plan your campaign strategy. You need content format. Sponsored posts, stories, reels, live videos, giveaways, etc. Messaging. Provide influencers with clear guidelines but allow for creative freedom. Ensure the messaging aligns with your brand values. Hashtags. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Call to action. Clearly state what you want the audience to do, e.g. visit your website, use a discount code, stuff like that. Timeline. Establish a clear timeline for the campaign. Number 5. Set clear expectations and agreements. You need contracts. Outline deliverables, payment terms, usage rights, and disclosure requirements. Transparency. Ensure influencers disclose sponsored content using hashtag ad, hashtag sponsored, or hashtag partner. 6. Track and measure results. Key metrics. Reach, engagement, which is likes, comments, shares, website traffic, sales conversions, and brand mentions. Tools. Use Instagram Insights, Google Analytics, and influencer marketing platforms to track results. Analyze data. Evaluate the campaign's performance and identify areas for improvement. Number 7. Maintain relationships. Build long-term partnerships. Cultivate relationships with successful influencers for future collaborations. Provide feedback. Offer constructive feedback to your influencers and acknowledge their efforts. Key considerations. Authenticity is paramount. Audiences can easily detect inauthentic endorsements. Compliance. Adhere to FTC guidelines and Instagram's policies regarding sponsored content. Budget. Determine a realistic budget and allocate resources effectively. By following the steps, you can create a successful Instagram influencer marketing campaign that achieves your business objectives. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Thanks for watching.